Welcome to Module 6, where we're going to focus only on Chapter 7 on budgetary issues. Now, I call it our dollars and cents because we really have to get inside these monetary side of project management to ensure we know what this project's going to cost and where those costs will come from. So from a context standpoint, we've certainly gotten through our intro to innovation. We've gotten our context of project management, and now we're in this mechanics section. And just this last module, the project activity planning, we're going to take that information that you developed in the WBS, the activities as well as the overall project, and the charter document that you put together, and use that to drive our budgeting process. So this week our focus again is that budgeting and costs. Quick glance at our calendar. We're in Module 6, so we're getting close. It's only an 8-module course. Obviously read Chapter 7. The video content is also available for that. There is one assigned problem that's due the end of the week. I know we're heading into 4th of July, so being careful on the workload. And then the second of our 4 optional cases. Remember that you need to do 2 of those. This is the second one you have to choose from. Really a good project case to look at. So I really strongly encourage you to do this as one of your 4. And if you choose to do this case, be sure you submit it by the end of the week. All right, so what this chapter is going to talk about is top-down or bottom-up budgeting. Top-down is going to focus primarily on that charter, that scope statement, to say what's a project like this going to cost. A bottom-up approach would take a look at the WBS and look at the lowest level of that WBS, cost up each of those activities, and then roll them up to the top or aggregate them. Watch out what's included in the budget. We really need to capture any sources of cost: labor, materials, supplies, equipment rentals, and so forth. So we want a really comprehensive look at the costing of the project. The problem that I have assigned is about measuring accuracy. The concept is that we want to do our budget well, then we want to check our actuals against that budget and see where we went wrong so that in future projects we don't make those same mistakes. We're going to be using Excel to do that calculation, and the online materials guide has some notes because there's some errors in the textbook with regard to solving this problem, the example that's provided in the chapter. So make sure you take a look at that. There's a couple errors in the formulas, and I have those highlighted in the online materials guide. So let's get going. There is no required forum this week, but the Module 6 discussion forum is certainly open for your support, as well as the Course Cafe. Have a great week. Okay.